channel. So in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how I created this makeup look right here. So if you like what you see, let's get started. Okay, guys, so let's jump right into it. So I'm gonna go ahead and just start off by priming my eyes. I already did my eyebrows off camera. So I'm using the Juvia's Place Concealer in 13 just to prime my eyelid. So I'm using the Urban Decay Born to Run palette, taking Baja, which is this matte orange eyeshadow, and just applied in my crease area for my transition. Viseart palette, which is Golden Hour, and I'm taking this burgundy matte color right here and just applied in the outer corner area. Taking this orange metallic shimmery color right here and just applied over on my eyelid area. For the inner corner, I'm taking Big Sky, which is teal, blue, greenish eyeshadow, and just applied in the inner corner. Back in with that same color that you applied on the outer corner and just kind of clean it up. Fenty Beauty Instant Retouch Primer. And go ahead and just color correct. For foundation, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Hydrating Foundation. Using the NARS Radiant Creamy Concealer in Caramel. Mercier just set my concealer. Set the foundation, I'm using my MAC Mineralize Face Powder in Dark Deep. Contour my face using a Bobbi Brown bronzer in Deep. And using the same bronzer just to contour my nose. For a highlighter, I'm using the BECCA highlighter in Topaz. For a blush, I'm using MAC Sweetest Cocoa Blush. For eyeliner, I'm using the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil in Torch. For a lip pencil, I'm using MAC Cork and MAC Chestnut to line my lips. For lipstick, I'm using MAC Peachstock. And on top of that, I'm going to add the Colurpop times Shayla Ouuuu, which is a corally lipstick. And for gloss, I'm using the Fenty Beauty Gloss in Hot Chocolit. To complete this look, I'm using the Urban Decay All Nighter Setting Spray. Okay guys, this is the finished look. So like always, if you made it this far in the video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe down below. Thank you guys so much for watching. See you in my next video.